In this video, I'm going to show you this quick and easy way to speed ramp your footage right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. So once you're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, you want to begin by dragging your footage onto the timeline. So I'm just going to do that by dragging that from the project tab into the sequence. And there we go. We've got our footage perfectly sitting in our sequence. Now, in order to do this quick and easy speed ramp, all you want to do is press C on the keyboard to load up the razor tool, make a cut to where you want the speed ramp to begin, move forward to where you want the speed ramp to end, and then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to speed up that section between those two cuts. So press V on your keyboard to load up the normal cursor tool, or double click on that middle video, go up to speed/duration, and we'll increase the speed up to 300%. Press OK on that, we'll close the gap between clip 2 and clip 3. And if we play that back, then we should have this really awesome, very simple speed ramp. Now, of course, 300 isn't going to be... Now, of course, speeding up the middle clip by 300% isn't going to give the most drastic results. So we're going to increase that up to 1000, and you'll really see the difference with this effect applied. So we'll right click, go up to speed/duration, increase the speed to 1000. We'll close that gap up once more. And as you can see, that will look much more dynamic. Of course, though, there is a little bit of a bump just here. As we're transitioning from the... Just as we're transitioning out of the speed ramp, there is a little bit of a glitch. So all we have to do to get rid of this is just go one frame over to the right after that second cut, delete the first part of that video, pull that over to the left, and as you'll see, when we play this back, this will look really awesome and really smooth. There we go. That is a lot better. Of course, though, if you wanted to slow down a section, so rather than speed ramping into a faster section, and we wanted to slow down instead, then you would just follow the same process, but instead of speeding up, you would slow down the clip. So let's say I wanted to slow down the flip. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to make a cut at the end of the flip here. We'll pull the last part of the video over to the right. We'll get that out of the way. We'll click on this flip here. So we'll right click or double click, go speed/duration, and we'll pull this down from 100 down to 50%. This means it's going to be half time. Now when we play this back, you'll notice we've got a speed ramp, we've got a slowed down clip, and then that goes into our real-time footage. Of course, though, the slowed down footage looks a little bit laggy, and that's because the footage was shot at 24 frames per second. So speed ramping this down, pulling the speed down to 50%, will drop the frame rate from 24 to 12 frames per second, which means it's going to look a little bit laggy. So in order to prevent that, you want to shoot your footage in a higher frame rate of around 60 frames per second, and you'll be able to perfectly slow this down by 50%, and you'll get a really nice smooth slow motion on your speed ramp. And there you go. That's a very quick and very easy way to speed ramp your footage right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you feel like this video helped you at all, then please do let me know in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.